Hello everyone, welcome back. I am Pooja Upadhyay from Department of Advanced Management Studies, GS College of Commerce, Wardha. In my previous video session, we have started the concept of online consumer behavior. It is the second part of that video in which we are going to learn the concept of study of online consumer behavior. Let's start. In simple words, we can define this study of online consumer behavior as the study of the intersection between online consumers and online businesses. Here, various online businesses watch or keep an eye on the behavior and the various activities of consumers on various online platforms. In previous video session, we have already discussed that from the online marketers perspective and from online e-commerce companies perspective, online consumer behavior plays very important role. Under this, they identifies the profile of particular consumer, then segment them in different segmentation as per their individual characteristics. Here we can say that as per the triple F model of online consumer behavior, which we have studied in last lecture, all the factors that affects the online consumer behavior are studied by the analyst in order to study this concept of online consumer behavior. Here analyst identifies the activities of consumers, then they profile the consumer, then segment them into different categories as per their individual unique characteristics. So these all are performed under these studies. Let's see what are the benefits of this study. The first one is to analyze the competency of online marketing strategy. With the help of knowing the consumer behavior on online platform, marketer or analyst can analyze the competency of any online marketing strategy. They can identify whether the particular strategy will work on various online platform or not. According to that, they implement, before implementing, they design a unique online marketing strategy, then implement it and analyze its effectivity. The next benefit is it helps in recognizing consumer response to ad campaign. Here, marketer can get the quantitative information or quantitative result of a particular ad campaign. In the video session of digital marketing, we have already studied that it is the type of marketing where one can know the quantitative effectivity and the result of particular ad campaign. So here also, with the use of studying the online consumer behavior, analyst can identify how the particular ad campaign is effective, whether it is successful or it is flop. The next benefit is it leads to innovation. Here, analysts and marketers knows the current trends in the market, knows the activities of consumers on online platform, knows the needs and wants of customer, knows the effectivity of a particular ad campaign, and by knowing this all, they can lead the innovative marketing campaign. They can form and they can design the marketing tactic which can easily attract or grab the attention of consumers. So these are the three important benefits of study of online consumer behavior. Now let's see the various examples of ways in which online consumers behavior has influenced the modern retail world. Here we are going to see the examples in which the application of this study of online consumer behavior has been implemented. The first one is effective social networking promotion. By knowing the online consumer behavior, the marketer implement various social networking or social media marketing. They with the use of social media marketing, they can interact with consumer individually and personally, which further results in effective customer relationship management. So this is one of the example of this study. Then by doing this study, one can design, or the e-commerce companies can design interactive home pages. You might have observed that there are so many websites on which there is particular block on one corner which pop up like, how can I help you? So this and if you reply that I am suffering from this problem, then immediately they will respond you that do this to solve this problem. So this is actually the interactive home pages which can be built on the basis of the study of online consumer behavior. The next example is it specially offers it offers the various special offers to the subscribers with the help of emails and messaging. Here we know that by implementing this study of online consumer behavior, marketers basically profile individual customer and segment it and knows what are the needs and wants of customer. So by knowing these all needs and wants and knowing their online activities, their interest, marketer can easily give various special offers to individual or to particular customer, and for offering these various offers, so he can that marketer can use email and messaging techniques. Then the next example is optimizing homepage. We have already studied the concept of optimization of website. So here this study is also utilized in order to optimize the home page. So these are the various examples where the study of online consumer behavior is implemented. So this is all about this concept of study of online consumer behavior, where we have seen what's the definition, or what's the meaning of this concept, and what are the benefits of this study. Then we have seen various examples. So this is all about this concept of study of online consumer behavior. I hope you understand this whole concept, that is in previous lecture what we have discussed, that what's online consumer behavior, and in today's video lecture what is study of online consumer behavior. So by knowing this all, now you can imagine how the marketers implement particular marketing strategy by knowing this online consumer behavior. I hope you like this, and you can easily understand this whole concept. In the next video lecture, we are going to study the concept of direct marketing. Till then, keep learning, be safe. Thank you.